Car and Scott, Cliff Nelson speaking.
Cliff, it's Mike.
Oh, hi, Mike. How are you?
I wanted to find out if you had a chance to talk to that friend of yours with the AP.
Yeah, I heard from him.
Well, did his story of what happened differ from Kelly's version?
Well, yeah, there were a couple points of difference. Look, could I talk to you about this in the morning?
Okay. Don't work too hard, Cliff.
Good night. Oh, Kelly, where are you? At this rate, I won't be home until 10 o'clock. Let's see.
The implication seems to be that Cliff received a different version of Kelly's story.
Well, now, wait a minute, honey. Let's not jump to conclusions, because we know that Kelly told us exactly what my brother told us.
Yeah, we thought he did.
I know that you feel he just hasn't told us everything about what happened.
Well, I've always thought it was strange the way he related what happened. There was never any variation. Almost as if he'd memorized what he wanted to say.
Yeah, that's true.
Now, people have a tendency to do that when they're being very careful about how much they want you to know.
Or if they're hiding something?
Nancy, I hope I'm wrong about this. For all we know, Cliff is just...
Over-dramatizing?
Well, he does have a tendency to do that, doesn't he? But when it comes to the practice of law, he usually keeps a level head.
Mike, that's exactly what we have to do now. We shouldn't start to doubt Kelly. I mean, I'm sure he didn't do anything wrong either here or in Rome.
I just wish the police would come up with something.
You know, it isn't really all that long ago that Elliot Dorn was killed.
No, but it's axiomatic in cases with the police like this. Either they come up with the killer within 24 hours, or it takes a very long time.
Kelly must feel as though his life is in suspension. I just wish something would happen.
Oh, excuse me, ma'am.
Excuse me, are you Jody Travis?
Yes, I am.
It was a good description. Someone on the phone wants to talk to you.
Oh.
You can take it right over there.
Thank you.
Probably Kelly.
Yes, probably. I'll be right back.
Hello?
Hi, Jody.
Kelly? Where are you?
I'm in a phone booth over on William Street.
That's miles from here.
Hey, listen, I'm really sorry about breaking our date tonight, but there's nothing I can do about it. Something very important came up and I can't make it, okay?
Well, that's a shame.
Well, I just wish I was there instead of here, believe me.
Kelly, are you all right?
Sure. I couldn't be better.
Well, you sound kind of shaky.
I'm just upset about having to break our date, but we'll make it another time real soon, okay?
Sure.
Okay, look, I gotta run now. Bye.
Bye.
There you go. Nasty Bill.
Hello.
Mrs. Scott, I hope the telephone hasn't woken Julia.
Julia's sound asleep, Molly. What is it?
I'm still at Mr. Scott's office. I'm afraid.
Well, are you having trouble finding the file? It should be there right on top of the desk.
No. Oh, it's not that, Mrs. Scott. Something dreadful has happened
Molly,
here.
what's wrong?
Well, that partner of Mr. Scott's, the young man, Mr. Nelson.
What happened to Cliff?
Well, he's been stabbed.